It's time for today's health hack.
Part of living a healthy life is making healthy food choices, and the key to that is eating our vegetables. Now, the CDC says adding vegetables as a regular part of your diet can improve your overall health. So here's 3 easy tips on how to make that work. First, make them easy to reach. Put your vegetables right in the front of the fridge so they're the first thing you grab when you open it. That way, you're more likely to choose vegetables if they're easy to get to. Next, base your meals around vegetables. The National Institutes of Health say we need to be getting 2.5 cups of veggies a day. So, make vegetables the star of your meal. Finally, if you're stuck on how to prepare your vegetables, try checking out a cookbook for some great ideas. Before you know it, your vegetables will have a key place on your table. Look at that.
For more health hacks, head to livinghealthytv.com.